Yes, big up everybody in YouTube land. Welcome to my channel. This is In a Real Life with your boy Dante. Just kick back, relax, and be prepared to be entertained and to just view some really wholesome, nice, family-oriented or family-friendly content. And just welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright? Quick questions in for my next vlog. I think doing like a feature on the different beaches on the western side, like in St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland. I think that would be a nice thing to post. Yeah? No, like serious now. So somebody suggested it to me, but me say, run it by you still. I'll do you now. Watch my channel in a party. But you mean it, Bridget? Me send it to your WhatsApp, Bridget. You know, watch my channel, Bridget. You watch one of the food. But you think doing the feature on the beach would be a good one? Would that nice if me carry out to Donte? No? Or you don't want to come? Okay, I go like you don't want to come. Alright, I think I'm going to do that. But let's see, I'm not sure for this weekend. If not, next weekend. Alright peeps, you know In a Real Life with Donte, right? So there was a bomb threat in Montego to the LOJ building and Montego Road. Good evening. And we decided to park and walk at the traffic. And this little boy, look for him. The little boy mash up, you know? The little boy mash up.
A belly cramp.
I have to take him bag, put on. We're walking like about 5 minutes to the house. And the little man mash up already. No, sir. Yeah, so we don't know what's going on. Sadly, I didn't do any footage of the traffic, but insane. I don't know what's going on with this bomb threat thing, but I'm telling you, the traffic is nasty. But yo, I'm just having a breeze, and look at this one. He's dying. Oh my gosh. Anyway, next up, hot beaches. Mobe. Which beach? Buccaneer, aka Dead End Beach, then Sunset Beach. Alright? If he recovers, he'll be there with me. But I don't know, for the looks of it right now, he looks
10 years.
So after I said today's the day. I'm going to the beach and you know, I'm doing Buccaneer Beach and Sunset Beach. Two very beautiful free beaches in Jamaica, in Montego Bay, Jamaica. You know, I guess most tourists coming here, and even visitors, because not everybody who lives overseas is from Montego Bay. They don't know about those beaches. Everybody know, you know, about Dr. Skate Beach, which is one of the most popular beaches in St. James. But after I said today is the day. What? It's overcast, but guess what? We need the rain still, because I tell you, the place can get warm. But don't worry, guys. Definitely, I will be doing my feature on those beautiful beaches. Alright, so you know, basically, bringing you on the journey. So, this video, I did this video for about 2 weeks now. I promise to show you guys some of the nicer beaches, or best beaches in our beautiful country of Jamaica. We're starting off with St. James, Montego Bay to be exact. So at this time, you know, we're on the hip strip, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, passing some really nice places. You know, you guys visit here, you can check it out. Over to my right, you know, just past Pork Pit. To my left, there's Walter Fletcher Beach. You know, it's changed to Aqua South, but we're not starting there. Going further on down the road. But then I'm gonna start to give you a little tour before we get into our destination. Actually, going to show you 2 beaches this morning, and as you can see, it's bright and sunny and nice. Not to my right again, Wexford Hotel under some renovations. But straight ahead, that was a Japanese cherry blossom. I don't even know, but it's just beautiful to my left over there. But straight ahead, we have Margaritaville. Look at that. Look at that. To my right, coming up, we have Coral Cliff. You know, these are places for nightlife entertainment. But yeah, I will going to pass one of the more famous beaches too, but we just can't see the beach from here. But it's world renowned Doctor's Cave, and that's coming up on my left. Yeah man. So you know, we're in the beautiful friendly city, Montego Bay, aka Magic City. Yeah man, we also have a number of hotels on the strip here. Maybe about 2-3 star hotels, and I think 4 star. There's one S Hotel. Don't quote me on the ratings, but S Hotel it's a good hotel. I've been there before. Oh, just past Doctor's Cave stuff, but as I say, you can't see the beach from here anyways. But we'll be visiting Doctor's Cave Beach in an upcoming episode, so don't you worry. Yeah man, so we're still on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. And you know, for my peeps who haven't been here for a while, you know, just kick back and relax man and enjoy the video. So S Hotel actually has a part of Cornwall Beach to my right, where we just passed. So Cornwall Beach is no longer hotel property. So I won't be able to show you guys Cornwall Beach. And some persons might be like, yo, so what happened to Cornwall Beach? Cornwall Beach, we learned to swim as a youth, you know. Yeah, it's no hotel property, but it's the tour bus. What are you doing? So we approaching this area now referred to as Dead End. And this is we actually have people who are at the beach. People going to the beach. So this approaching now is Sunset Beach. That's one of the 2 beaches that we're going to look at for today. Yeah man, beautiful. Look at that, turquoise, blue, all different colors and shades of beautiful. Not true? Yeah man. Alright, so next up, I'll show you the Buccaneer Beach. You know what it looks like, and you know, on a typical sunny, beautiful, clear sky day in Jamaica. So this is the beautiful Buccaneer Beach. Hopefully I can pick up the sign. Yeah, Buccaneer, you see that? And that is the Buccaneer Hotel, what is currently being used by university students. But yeah man, this is one of our free beaches in Jamaica, in Montego Bay. You know, I hope you guys can hear the ocean, the sea, the sound of the small waves that's rolling in, you know. Look at the water. And it's a breathtaking view from a section of the Montego Bay area, formerly called Pigs Bay or Bay of Pigs. That was way back when, all the way down to Nickel Point. Let's see if I can pick up some of that for you. All the way down to Nickel Point. From here, as you can see, we have those structures in the water. Those are guiding lights for airplanes, because next to this beach we have our Montego Bay Airport. And the planes at night, these objects, they come alive with lights and help to guide the planes for landing. But yeah man, beach, lovely and nice, cool day. I mean, the sun is out, you can see it, right? The sun is out, but I'm so cool. I remember one of my friends came down here one day. I took from Kingston and sat on that wall over there. And it was like, yo, I can see the sea floor. And I said, yeah, what you mean? And I was saying, yo, he has never been to a beach before where you can actually see the sea floor. And he would have been to beaches in Kingston and St. Catherine. Don't feel any way about Kingston clips, but for real, this is the first time. And that's just a typical beach in Montego Bay. Clean, and let me show you guys something. Check this out. Right? This is the sand. And remember, as I said, it's a free beach. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Powdery, nice. But what you have is people actually take care of the beach. You have people that clean the beach for free, you know, because it's a source of livelihood. They sell their products here and so forth, and want to ensure that the environment is clean. So you guys, you know, whenever you're coming, you can check this beach out. Last, it's called Dead End because it's like a cul-de-sac at the end, and that's in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yeah. I mean, just listen to that. Listen to that. Island paradise. Island paradise. If you guys want some more like directions, or you want a Google location, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Let's pop it. I'm going to be experimenting with a introduction today. I have a lot of persons who, you know, they like the content on the channel. This is the Sunset Beach. Yep. Beautiful. We have persons swimming. Yep. So whenever you guys are here, this is one of the beaches that you can check out, and as I said, it's free, so no entry cost. And trust me, this water is awesome. It feels just as good as how it looks. Crystal clear. Alright, so if you need directions, information, as I said, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Alright, yeah, man. Remember, famous Sunset Beach, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Alright. And I know you guys can hear the sound of that. That's relaxing and therapeutic. Look at that. Check that out. Don't you want to be here? Yeah, man. Alright guys, so this is the first episode of I guess a number of episodes where we're going to be featuring different beaches around our beautiful island of Jamaica. Cut that boat. Yeah, man. So that's like one of the tour attractions, you know. But as I said, just beautiful. All you need to do is book a flight and get here. Holler at your boy if you need directions and whatever it is. You know, just drop a comment and let me know what's up. Alright, so stay tuned, look out for the next video. Yeah, so taking my leave now. So look out for the next video, and right across the road too. For point of reference is the Sandals Inn Hotel. Not sure if it is still active, but yeah. But yeah, man, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Check out these beaches when you come to Jamaica. It's free, and I guarantee you, you only find friendly persons when you come here. Alright? But if you need any direction, guidance, you need transportation, whatever it is, holla at your boy. Alright, so do the right thing. Like, subscribe, share. Look out for the next video. And drop your comments. Tell me what you think. Alright.